Welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to add a fake bokeh effect to any picture which you take with your camera or with your phone or whatever you do. Okay, so let's get right into this. Alright, so to get started, open this up or whatever your picture is. So this is in a raw picture format, so it'll be easy to edit. Okay, so once you're here, just click the radio filter and then drag it onto your subject as perfectly as you can. Alright, that's not really perfect, but okay. So you can change your stuff over there. So if whatever you change won't be affected inside here. So just put that at 0 again. What you need to do is make that background a bit darker. Make the background a bit darker and bring the shadows a bit lower. Okay, so oops. And then do that one more time. But now come down here and put inside, so all the stuff inside will be changed. So we need to make the exposure higher. And just make this as bright as you want or as dark as you want, so that should be good. Okay, that'll work. Just double click on this and press OK. So what you want to do now is select subject, select and mask. Okay, you want to select the background, all the background, and deselect the show. So just hold Alt and go around the show. Okay, so that should be good enough. Once you're done that, right click and click select inverse. That will select the show. Go to select and mask, and that will just show you what you've done, or in better words what you've selected. So just do your changes or whatever you want to do here. Put the feather about 1.9 pixels and put it onto a new layer. Once you've done that, hold Control and click on the thumbnail. Hide that, click on your bottom layer where the background is and press delete. That'll just delete the show from this layer. Go to filter, blur gallery, field blur. Okay, so I'll just put some burn this area over here a bit.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way
and make the black color hardness to about 13 or 15%. And if you have any overexposed areas, just fill them with black and change the fill down to 25%. Okay, so select this one again, filter, and we forgot to merge these. Merge these first. Filter, blur, gallery field blur. You can just mess around with the light range and make it look good. Okay, so once that's done, it'll just apply the transformation, and if you just transform this, make it a bit bigger, and we should have to make put some blackness over on top just to make it look realer. We can burn that as well. So that's basically it on how to add a fake bokeh. I know this isn't my best job, but it's a really rushed tutorial because I have to go somewhere. So yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day, and bye.